So this is my moto vlog setup for now, testing out the placement and the audio quality using the GoPro Hero 10 Black with the media mod attached with a microphone going into my helmet right here. Yesterday I tested out the microphone and I attached it just here, but there was some interference, I would say, which I will post up later together with this new testing video. Alright, so let's go and ride and check out whether this setup works or if I need to get another mic or another placement of the mics. Alright, another test on the GoPro Hero 10 with the media mod and an external microphone at a different position from yesterday. So checking out whether this setup works for a moto vlog, or if not, I need to get another microphone or find a way to put the microphone better to get out interference. So this is at a low speed and normal talking volume. Right, let's see how it sounds when it's at a higher speed. Thank you. Mic test at on the highway. At a higher speed, testing out the audio quality again. Hopefully this works, or else I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Maybe another microphone or another placement of this microphone, or well, I'm gonna use another helmet, maybe a full face helmet or a flip top helmet. But the reason I'm getting this, testing this out, is because people has been asking me why weren't there any part of me talking in the video, the last video I did. It was because I did not have my media mod with me yet, and yeah, the only thing recorded was just wind noise. So now with this setup, which hopefully works, you will hear my voice on the videos next. That is if you want to hear lah. If you don't want to hear, you can just turn off the volume. Alright, there's an ambulance behind me, but I'm not sure whether you want to pass me or not. Sunny day, haven't seen the sun for the whole week. Yeah, protect yourself from the sun, which I do, but I don't like wearing long pants, for those that know me.
kilometers per hour. Is there any noise? Unwanted noise? Traffic is not so busy, not so heavy. I think people are still on holiday for Chinese New Year. Going to the bike lane. People driving with their phones in their hands. Don't get me wrong, I do that sometimes, but just a glance. But you know, it's too dangerous. I hate these bumps. Is there a way to escape all these bumps? NANI?! Semua cari makannya. Aduh. Two people open the roadblock. So obvious kan? Bumps, bumps, bumps. I hate these bumps. To the main road of LDP. Wish. Apa tu? Testing out, testing, 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 testing. Sometimes I feel like going very fast, but then I see other motorbikes cutting me, and then I feel very slow. Never mind. Just be safe on the road. Testing, testing, testing. What is that building? This is Selangor's Penang Bridge. Oh, that's what I call it. Relax lah, Audi. Don't have to cocok me. still clear? Am I still clear? Mic test 1 2 1 2. Mic test 1 2. Dah keluar signal tu pusing ke? Tutup signal kau. Excuse me. Testing 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2. Super windy. Not sure whether it's my bike windy or it's the environment windy. Yeah, I hope you can hear that. I mean, hope you can hear me, not hear the wind noise or interference. Alright, I think enough testing for today. We'll see you guys. Analyze the videos and then let's give our thoughts on which is the better way of doing things. Okay, till next time guys, bye.